Recently, I was studying about acids and bases, and I thought, why shall I not make a video on it? So, this video is in how you can understand if a substance is acidic or a basic one. So, with no further ado, let's get right into it. So, here I have three indicators with me, the blue and the lead litmus paper, the methyl orange, and the philathelene. And I have one acid and one base. So here is one acid, hydrochloric acid, you can read hydrochloric acid, and this is the sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of them in a test tube. So let me take out some of sodium bicarbonate. It's a base, remember it. So let me take out some sodium bicarbonate in a spatula, or I can put it directly to the test tube. Yeah, so I took some of the sodium bicarbonate, and now I shall add some of water in it. So here is my test tube. You can see I have some of, it's very little because I don't want to use it a lot, and I'll use some water in it. So here you can see I made a solution of it. It has dissolved in it. Now let me take some acid in a test tube. Here you can see, and I'll just put some water because it's already in a liquid form. So here you can see I made a solution of this also. So I have two solutions here. Now I can check the solution in two different ways. Let me first close my chemicals so that it do not falls. Safety first. So let me first do the most precise and the widely used ones, the red litmus and the blue litmus. So when you put the red litmus in acid, it doesn't changes its color, but when you put a red litmus in a base, it changes its color into blue color. Whereas it has the vice versa in the blue litmus paper, that when you put the blue litmus in a base, it will not change its color, but when you put it in an acid, it will change its color. So now let's test it. So let me take out one red litmus. Let me take out two because we have to check it. So here you can see I have took two litmus paper. Now you can see here I have the basic solution, and I'll put this red litmus paper into it and see what happens. Okay, let me just put it a bit more in. So can you see this? This red litmus has changed into a blue color because it is a base. So let me keep this thing aside, and now let me take the acidic solution and put the red litmus in it. See what happens. No color change because it's an acid. So this is too simple. Now let me put a blue litmus paper in a base and in an acid. So let me take out two bases, meaning two blue litmus paper. Okay. Yeah. So first let me put it inside this basic solution, this blue litmus paper. And you can see this is the second one, that backside has gone to in. This was the red litmus, which has changed into blue, and this is the blue litmus paper, which doesn't change its color because it's in a basic solution. Now let me put this blue litmus paper into this acid solution. And here you see, let me show you, see this it's going down. Let me make it down so that you understand. The going down, this one, this is the blue litmus, and you can see that it has changed its color because it has gone in an acid. So this was the first experiment. Now let me try this same thing in with the methyl orange. Now let me take some methyl orange in it, in one test tube. Let me first put make a solution of it. So give me some seconds and I'll just make it and I'll show you. So here you can see I have the sodium bicarbonate in these two and the hydrochloric acid in these two. So now I'll add some water to it. Let me add some water to all of them. So here we are ready. So now let me show you what happens when you put methyl orange in it.
A few moments later.
So here you can see that when I put this methyl orange in it, in a basic solution, it changes its color into a yellow color, and when it goes into a acidic substance, it changes its color into red color. So it's very good. You can see how good colors we have here. Now let me put some phenolphthalein in it.
A few moments later.
Now here you can see that when we put phenolphthalein in an acidic substance, it is colorless. But when we put it in a basic substance, it changes its color into pinkish. And we have even a good color here. So thank you guys for seeing my video. I'll meet you in the next video.